Trigonometric ratios example. Given that tangent A is equal to 3 over 4, find the other trigonometric ratios. So as you can see, it is given that the tangent function is basically 3 over 4. So I'm going to write tangent of A is equal to 3 over 4. Now, in order to understand what actually this means, I'm going to draw a right triangle. So let this is a right triangle at this angle. So let this is angle A, this is angle B, and this is angle C. What we need to do, we need to consider angle A. So basically angle A is my reference angle. So I'm going to consider angle A as the reference angle. So I'm going to draw a circle over here so that we know this is the reference angle. So my angle A is reference angle, and we know that side opposite to angle A is basically opposite, and side next to angle A is basically adjacent, and then this side will be basically my hypotenuse. Now if you remember, tangent function is basically opposite over adjacent. As you can see, opposite is 3, so I'm going to write opposite as 3 unit, and my adjacent is 4, so this side will be 4. We have two sides of triangle ABC. Let's use the Pythagorean theorem to find the unknown side, which is hypotenuse. So I will use c square is equal to a square plus b square. As you can see, my a is 4 and my b is 3, so I'm going to substitute the value over here. So I will write c square is equal to 4 square plus 3 square, and we know that a square of 4 is 16 plus a square of 3 is 9. 16 plus 9 is basically 25, so I will write c square is equal to 25. Now let's find the square root on both sides to find the value of c. So we will find the square root on both sides. A square root of c square is c, and a square root of 25 is basically 5. So c is basically 5. So my hypotenuse is basically c, that is equal to 5. Now let's find the other trigonometric ratios. So let's first find sine. So my sine of angle A is basically opposite over hypotenuse. So my opposite is, as you can see, is 3, and my hypotenuse is 5. Cosecant is reciprocal of sine, so I will write cosecant is equal to, it will be 5 over 3. Now let's find the cosine. So cosine of angle A is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. So my adjacent is, as you can see, 4, so I will write 4 over 5. Secant is reciprocal of cosine, so I will write secant of A is equal to reciprocal of 4 over 5 is 5 over 4. Now we have tangent given, so I will write tangent of A is equal to 3 over 4. So my cotangent will be reciprocal of 3 over 4, which is basically 4 over 3. And this is how we'll find the trigonometric ratios